Welcome to our soap factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how premium soap bars are made, from raw oils to the final packaged product. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes factory tours.
In industrial soap production, oils and sodium hydroxide are combined in large mixers. This initiates saponification, where the caustic soda breaks down the fats into soap.
Temperature is rising to 23.1.
Chemical balance is off. pH shape is 7 now.
Stabilizing.
Confirmed. Levels are holding.
Good. Monitoring.
Every batch is refined for texture, fragrance, and skin safety.
And that's how premium soap is made, from raw oils to a fresh, clean finish.